Okay, here we are opening our bearded dragon from Atomic Lizzard Ranch in Bisbee, Arizona. We are the first time parents of a reptile. We fell in love with the bearded dragons, did some research, found some people not too far away who are raising them at the Atomic Lizzard Ranch.
Thank you, Colette.
And we are very, very excited about our new baby. And it's my birthday, so January 8th, 2020. I think it may be the year of the rat in the Chinese. Is that what we decided?
I think it starts this year.
But for us, it's the year of the dragon.
Oh, it's nice and warm in here.
Oh, he's got a little heat pack.
Nice. Oh, very, very nice and warm.
So we've got like a plain cotton muslin drawstring bag.
And not to stress. Oh, I see a butt. Oh, you're fat.
Awesome.
I'm sorry. You're healthy. Oh, come here, baby.
Oh.
Oh, you sweet little thing. Look at you. Beautiful. Do you know you're beautiful? Oh.
So I don't know that the screen is picking it up. It's a little bit more yellow
Hi.
in the camera, but it's really a beautiful kind of orange
How are you?
with some yellow highlights. And look at that face.
Welcome.
So we are going to follow Colette's directions and give him some quiet time to adjust to his new home. And we say, thank you, Atomic Lizzard Ranch. We love him. He is beautiful. Looks like, are we going into a little shed there on the tail?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Get to the shedding.
All right.